morning, students. In the last class, we have started question tag. Is it right? What we have started in the last class? Question tag. This grammar topic we have started in the previous class. Is it right? Question tags. Even I hope you got the short form of short form. Okay. Is plus not isn't. Am plus not aren't. Are plus not aren't. Was plus not wasn't. So all those things you have taken in the previous class. In this class, I am going to solve the exercise. Look at the exercise. First one is there. Add question tags to the following statements. Just you have to add the question tag. Let us see the examples. What type of we had the question tag? First exercise. Look that A. Exercise A. So many examples are given. Now we are going to add the question tag. First example. Misha is very, what is that? Quick. It is an example. What is that? Misha is very quick. So here you have to observe. What you have to observe? Either main verb or helping verb is there in this sentence. Either main verb or helping verb. So you have to check. So here verb is there. What type of verb is there? Is what type of verb? It is a helping verb. Is it right? Misha is very quick. So now you make a question tag. How? Is plus not a isn't. You have to write this line. Isn't. Is plus not a isn't. So Misha, don't write the name. Here, don't write the name. You have to write the pronouns. You have to write the pronouns. Don't write any names in the question tag. So here Misha means she. Isn't she? For the question mark. Isn't she? Because is there. So is plus not isn't. Then she instead of Misha. Okay. This slide we have to add question tag. Let's see second example. The dog was greedy. See, don't think about too much because when the helping verb in the sentence, you take that helping verb and make a question tag. If no one helping verb in the sentence, you have to think about tense. Which tense that is? Okay. So here helping verb is there. Where is the helping verb? Was. Was is there, na? Was, that is what a helping verb. So how to make question tag? So is plus not a isn't, that like. So here how to write a wasn't. So dog, don't write dog. Here wasn't it. Don't write a dog name here or dog here. Wasn't it? Okay, that like. Wasn't it? I can. Third example you have to look. I can finish this work today. This work today. See, what is the helping verb is there? Yes, can. So you have to write a can't. What is that? I. Can't I? Can't I? Just like you had a question tag. Okay. Richa will sing a song. See here. Richa will sing a song. Here what is the helping verb is there? Will is there. So will plus not will plus not owned. You have to write here. Owned. So Richa. How we use here? Misha. She. That like Richa. So here we have to use she. Want she? Okay. Let's see. Fifth example. We should tell the truth. What is that sentence? We should tell the truth. See here. Here, helping verb is there. So, how to write a shouldn't? Should plus not a shouldn't. Shouldn't we? Shouldn't we? It's like you have to write. Okay. Sixth. They are going to home. What is that? They are going home today. They are going. They are going home today. So here in this sentence, what is the helping verb? Are is there. So how to write a aren't? What is that? Aren't they? Aren't they? So this like you have to make the examples. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಬ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಬ್ ತಗೊಂಡೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಐತಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ ನಾನು ಇಸಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಹೆಸರು ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಸರು ಬರಿಬಾರ್ದು. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸ್? ಐ, ವಿ, ಯು, he, she, it, they. You have to use. Is it understand? See students, Nisha is very quick. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಬ್ ಯಾವ್ದಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾವೇನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ isn't. ನಿಶಾ ಬದಲಿಗೆ ನಾವೇನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? she ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. Is it right? Second example, you have to look. The dog was greedy. In the second sentence, helping verb is there. What is that? Was. So how we used in the previous example, that like we have to use. The dog was greedy. So was. So wasn't it. Don't write any he or she or anything is there. You have to write it. Okay. It ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಪ್ರಾಣಿ ಇರಲಿ, ಪಕ್ಷಿ ಇರಲಿ, ಯಾವುದೇ ವಸ್ತು ಇರಲಿ, ಅವು ನಾವು ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಬಂತು, ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಬಂದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಬರ್ಡ್, ಪಿಕಾಕ್ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಇಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಎನಿ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್, birds or things, whatever it may be. Okay, ಅವಾಗ ನಾವೇನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? we have to use it. it ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Is it understand? Okay, see here. Next, I can finish this work today. In the third example, can is there, so can plus not can't. So here can't. Automatically pronoun is there. Don't think too much. Just you have to put the pronoun after the question tag. Can't I? Is it right? Then Richa will sing a song. Richa, it means girl. Richa means what? A girl name. Is that? So Richa will sing a song. Will is there? Will plus not won't. So you have to write first won't. After that she instead of Richa. Richa ಬದಲಿಗೆ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ she ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕು. Okay, then we should tell the truth. We should tell the truth. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ? should ಇದೆ. So should plus not shouldn't. So first you have to write shouldn't. Then what is that? We is there. After that you have to write we. After that you have to put the question mark. Don't forget it. End of the sentence you have to put the question mark. Okay. Then they are going home today. They are going home today. Here helping verb is there. What is that? Are is there. Are plus not aren't. You have have to write first. Aren't. Then what is that pronoun is there? They is there. You have to write they. Aren't they? So that like other examples you have to do. Total 12 examples are there. 6 examples I have solved to yours. So then other 6 examples you have to do in your home. Okay. Let us see second main. It means B. What is that? B is there, na? Okay. B. So look at the first example. What is that? We enjoy. We enjoy our history classes. See here. ಸೊ ಮೊದಲು ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಬ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಬ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಹಿಯರ್ ನೋ ಮೋರ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಬ್, ಮೇನ್ ವರ್ಬ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಮೇನ್ ವರ್ಬ್? ಎಂಜಾಯ್. ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್ ನಾ. ಸೊ ಎಂಜಾಯ್, ಎಂಜಾಯ್, ಎಂಜಾಯ್. V1, V2, V3. V1, V2. Just you have to think. V1, V2. So V1 ಬಂದಾಗ ನಾವೇನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡೂ ಆರ್ ಡಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ. V1 ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಡೂ ಆರ್ ಡಸ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಬ್ ತಗೊಂಡು you have to make a question tag by using the do or does when V1 given. So here enjoyed it is what? V2. So what helping verb you have to take? See here you have to use did. V1 ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಡೂ ಆರ್ ಡಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದೇ ತರನಾಗಿ ಒಂದ್ ವೇಳೆ V2 ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ನಾವು ಡಿಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಅವರ್ ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಅಂತ. Enjoy, what it is? It is V1 or V2? What is that? V1. Okay, of course. Enjoy it is a V1. V1 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಾನ? Do or does. You take anyone. So first enjoy ಇದಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ do or does ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, I, we, you, he, she, it, they. Okay, here just look at I do, we do, you do, he does, she does, it does, they do. Okay, this like you have to go negative. ಈ ತರ ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ತರನಾಗಿ ವಿ ದೇ ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಟೈಪಿಂಗ್ ಅವ್ರು ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ಡೂ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಡೂ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಡೋಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಡೂ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡೋಂಟ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್? ವಿ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹೌ ಟು ರೈಟ್? ಡೋಂಟ್ ವಿ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ವಿ. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ರೈಟ್? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಬ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೇನ್ ವರ್ಬ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನು ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ನೀವು ಟೆನ್ಸ್, ಯಾವ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ? V1 ಆಯ್ತು, V2 ಆಯ್ತು. V1 ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಡೂ ಆರ್ ಡಸ್ ತಗೋ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. V2 ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ತಗೋ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ? ನಾನು ಡಿಡ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ಮಾಡು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು V1 ಐತಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾವೇನು ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ? ಡೂ ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾವೇನು ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ? ಡೂ ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ. ಅದ್ರ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ಡೋಂಟ್ ವಿ ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. Is it right? Let's see next example. These students waste their time time in idle talk. So waste V1. Okay. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನದ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಐತಿ. Is it right? Waste V1 ಐತಿ. So ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋದೇನದ ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅದ. So plural, they plural, we plural, even you is singular and one more plural is there. Okay, plural ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ತಗೋಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಐತಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ do ತಗೋಬೇಕು. Don't. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. Students means plural. Students means what? Plural. So you have to write they. Don't they. What you have to write? Don't they. ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡೋಂಟ್ ದೇ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಿನಿಶ್ಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ we eat meat and eggs. So here main verb is there. So you ಐತಿ, you ಇದ್ರೆ ತಗೋಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲೇ do ತಗೋಬೇಕು. So don't, what is that? Pronoun is there. Don't we, don't you, don't you. This like that we have to do. Okay, is it understand? So total 6 examples in the B main, B1 already 3 solved. So other 3 examples you have to solve. Okay, is it understand how to make question tag? Okay. C. Let's see C1. Usha speaks. Usha speaks. Usha speaks English well. English well. See here. Speaks. What is it? It is V1 or V2. You have to think first before going to make a question tag. ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು V1 V2 ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ V1. ಸೊ V1 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು. I, we, you, he, she, it, they. ಇಲ್ಲೇ do, ಇಲ್ಲೇ do, here also do, here he, she, it does, then here do. So Usha, Usha means she. Usha means what here? She. Look that. Where is that? She. She. What is the helping verb is there? Does. Does is there, na? So you have to write first. Does. Does plus not what? What you have to write? Doesn't. Does plus not doesn't. Then Usha. In that place, what you have to write? Doesn't she. Doesn't she. Okay. Let's see second example. Razia runs very fast. Yes, runs. Runs it is also V1. Okay, look that. Where is that? Razia runs very fast. Razia means she. So you have to write same. Doesn't. Razia means she. Doesn't she. Okay. Let us see one more example. I am going to solve. She makes many mistakes. Yes, makes means V1. So she is there. So here also you have to write doesn't. Doesn't What is the pronoun is there? Doesn't see. Okay. Is it understand? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಿದೆಯಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದಾವೆ. ಹೇಗಿದೆಯಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದಾವೆ. ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಬರೇ ಏನ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ನಾಟ್. ಡಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಟ್ಯಾಗನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? ಓಕೆ. In the D and E, you have to look in the previous class. Sorry, in the next class. D and E, you have to look in the next class. So, remaining examples. In first main, it means A, B, C. What are the remaining examples in A and B and C? Those examples you have to solve. Your homework is what? Remaining examples A, B and C. You have to solve all the remaining examples in A, B and C. It is your homework. Is it understand? Okay, I will continue this chapter in the next class. Just complete the homework. Okay. See you in the next class.